Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use a vegetable sheet cutter. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to add a new tool to your kitchen arsenal, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. These handy kitchen gadgets are perfect for transforming your veggies into thin, versatile sheets, ideal for making healthy lasagna, sushi, wraps, or even decorative dishes. Imagine the possibilities: low-carb lasagna, colorful sushi rolls, or even creative vegetable wraps that are as beautiful as they are delicious. Before we get started, let's take a look at the two main types of vegetable sheet cutters available on the market today. First, we have manual sheet cutters. These are simple to use and typically come with a hand crank mechanism. They are ideal for home kitchens, affordable, and don't require electricity. Manual cutters are perfect for those who enjoy a hands-on approach to cooking and want to have more control over the slicing process. The electric vegetable sheet cutters, on the other hand, are faster, more efficient, and great for frequent use or larger quantities of vegetables. These models are perfect for busy kitchens or for those who want to save time without compromising on the quality of their vegetable sheets. Both have their pros and cons, so choose based on your needs. If you prefer a more traditional hands-on approach, a manual cutter might be the way to go. If you need speed and efficiency, an electric model could be your best bet. Now let's walk through how to use a vegetable sheet cutter step by step. This process will ensure you get the best results every time. We'll demonstrate using a manual cutter, but the process is similar for electric models. The key steps remain the same regardless of the type of cutter you use. First, choose your vegetable. Zucchini is a great option. Make sure it's washed and the ends are trimmed off to create flat surfaces. This step is crucial as it ensures the vegetable can be securely attached to the cutter and sliced evenly. Next, attach the vegetable to the prongs of the cutter. The prongs are designed to hold the vegetable firmly in place, preventing it from slipping as you turn the crank. The prongs keep the vegetable in place while you turn the crank. This mechanism ensures that the vegetable rotates smoothly, allowing the blade to cut through it evenly. Once it's secured, start turning the handle gently. Apply consistent pressure to ensure the vegetable is sliced evenly. As the vegetable rotates, the blade will cut thin, even sheets. The key here is to maintain a steady pace to avoid tearing the sheets. Continue turning until the entire vegetable is sliced. You'll be left with beautifully thin sheets that are perfect for a variety of dishes. For electric models, the process is the same, but all you need to do is press a button to operate. This makes the process even more straightforward and less labor-intensive. Some electric cutters even allow you to adjust the thickness of the sheets by simply turning a dial. This feature is particularly useful if you want to experiment with different textures and thicknesses for your dishes. Here are a few tips to get the best results. These tips will help you make the most out of your vegetable sheet cutter and ensure your dishes turn out perfectly every time. First, choose vegetables that are firm and not too watery. This ensures the sheets hold their shape. Vegetables like zucchini, cucumber, and sweet potatoes are excellent choices. Second, adjust the blade settings if your machine allows, depending on how thick or thin you want the sheets. Experiment with different settings to find what works best for your recipes. For delicate dishes like sushi, thinner sheets are ideal, while thicker sheets work great for lasagna. The thickness of the sheets can greatly affect the texture and presentation of your dishes. When choosing a vegetable sheet cutter, consider brands that offer both reliability and ease of use. Look for models that have good reviews and are known for their durability. The Chefman electric vegetable sheet slicer is highly recommended for those who want an electric model. It's known for its efficiency and ease of use, making it a popular choice among home cooks and professional chefs alike. It's efficient, easy to clean, and works well with a wide range of vegetables. Cleaning is a breeze, which is a significant advantage when you're using it frequently. For manual options, the Benriner Spiral Vegetable Slicer is a top pick for its simplicity and durability. It's a reliable tool that can handle a variety of vegetables with ease. With a vegetable sheet cutter, the possibilities are endless. From creating low-carb alternatives to traditional pasta dishes to making visually stunning appetizers, this tool opens up a world of culinary creativity. Whether you're looking to create healthier meals or elevate your presentation, this tool is a must-have in your kitchen. It's perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of elegance and health to their cooking. We hope this guide helps you get the most out of your vegetable sheet cutter. With a little practice, you'll be creating beautiful, delicious dishes in no time. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Remember, the key to mastering any kitchen tool is practice and experimentation. So don't be afraid to try new things and have fun with your vegetable sheet cutter.